follow the directions and put in all your pegs and screws and whatnot. And one thing's for sure, you're going to need some help. So you can see that arrow right there, and then it shows once you put it in place, and then it shows the other arrow which way to turn it to lock it. So what you do is you slide this in here. It goes into the eccentric. This is the part that screws into your other part that you're going to latch onto it. So once you screw this into the other part, slides into here. Tighten it up the way the arrow shows. And then it locks it into place. And okay. There again, like I say, help would be very helpful. Alright, let's see how good I am at putting this back on here. Okay, this one builds just exactly the same as the other one. So let's get this thing up and we'll get the last couple of pieces on here. Okay, there's some holes on the bottom shelf on both sides that this bottom runner is going to screw to. Okay, you can see it's a lot helpful if you have a clamp to kind of hold everything together. It's the same thing. You've got your pegs. And you got your screws you got to put in each door. Follow the instructions about putting the rollers up there. And the same thing with the bottom. Got a couple down here to put on, one there and one there. Okay, this will be the first door to go on. this other catch up there before we forget about it, because we start moving those doors around, we're going to lose a door. Okay, now we've got our doors on there, now we've got them captured. Well, this is the finished. You got that little cubby hole up top, got a drawer down below. Okay, now you've got the upper shelf, you've got the closet rod, you've got 2 drawers down below, and everything closes up. Just like that, right at about 79 inches. So that'd give you a lot of storage. Well, golly, you can tell it's not that difficult to build. You just need a little extra help is all.